Look how busy it is though. It's the name up above Bali Juice Park. It's getting a little bit dark now. Beautiful burgers there. Mixture of Indonesian and Western tourists here. Western tourists along the front here. Rights on the menu here. Music here as well. Coca-Cola, so you can expect what to pay for the beers here. Very nice one again here. Lots of international. Good late afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 6 p.m, sunset time. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour along 66 Beach. So 66 Beach here in the Seminyak area of Bali is a very popular tourist beach, a very big, wide beach. All along the back of the beach, you'll find a great collection of restaurants, also doubling up as bars. So in tonight's video, my starting point is going to be at the main gate entrance to 66 and Legian beaches. Legian Beach will be to the left, 66 will be to the right. We're going to walk all the way along the path, zigzag in and out from the path and onto the beach, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this beach location here in Seminyak. So without any further ado, let's go and take a beach stroll here at 66 in Seminyak. Okay, so directly in front of the camera now is the main gate entrance to 66 and Legian beaches. This is the motorbike parking area. It's parking for cars as well. I think it's 2,000 for motorbikes. Pay these guys here 5,000 for cars. Might be 10,000 for cars. Not 100% sure on that. And then when we have the shelter here, the statue on the top there, Legian Beach to the left there. We're going to be walking to the right and onto Seminyak 66 Beach. Plancha Seminyak, it says on the sign there. The sun is just about to set. So we have the pathway that runs all the way along the back of the beach here. We'll just take you and show you this first of all. There is going to be some entertainment. We might be a little bit early for some of the entertainment. Got some nice beanbag seating areas here. Hello. I love you. Mixture of Indonesian and Western tourists here. A few along the front here. Like a sunlight, before you. Just keep walking along here now. These beautiful swings here. And give me one go so I should never make a dream. Good mixture of tourists, Indonesian, some sun lounge as well on the beach here. Just have a look at the ocean. Everywhere seems to be occupied. Not too big a waves down at the ocean here today. Very, very busy on the beach though. Another beach bar here. Playing football.
Yeah, then you enjoy your beautiful sunset, enjoy your... Yes, yeah, bro.
And more music here.
Oh, it's really? Okay, everybody have a good time.
I'm going to head up now to the back and just show you side of here. Busy. We are at the height of the season now. That's the reason for making this video. Some of the food dishes available there. Here's the beers, so you can expect what to pay for the beers here. This is K Restro, this restaurant. Here's the name. Drinks menu. More seating from the back. And they also have a inside seating area here. So the music is just started again now, we can hear. This is called B9B, this one here. It's the name, B9B. Seating area inside as well here. Bar areas up in the back there. I'll take you in and have a look at the bar. Just up in the back there. Lots of people sat on the beach though. Some little cellars and things here. I've got some dog paintings there. Sarongs. Have this sand beach bar and restaurant here. Also has an inside seating and an outside. We'll take you and show you the inside. It's not busy inside. Most people are just sat outside on the beach. Here's the inside area anyway. It's a bar. Seating areas here. Back down on the path. Take you and go and see the music. There's another angle on the sand beach bar. Artists there, very, very busy on the beach here. So the sand beach bar has swings here as well. Just continue walking on to our next place now. Courtyard by Marriott seating area there on the beach here at 66. Just packing up some of the umbrellas for the day now from on the beach. There's our next place. This is called Kapil Beach. There's some idea of the price on the menu here. So it's the Kapil Beach. It's the inside seating area. Seating area here as well. Wow, look at this. Nice. Also have music here as well. Coca-Cola sign.
The weather's like it now, that's what I say. Is the river on the tip?
There's another angle on Kapil Beach. Again, quite busy there. Entertainment stage there. Super, super busy here again on the beach. Busy everywhere. So nice. A few little places at the back there. Wow, look how busy it is on the beach. Super, super busy. Okay, so back on the path now. The Joglo, this place is called. The Shisha. Some Western tourists along the front here. Inside seating area. Seating area here. Shisha there. entertainment here. Noisiest place on the beach, that, whatever's going on there. And then this is the Champlong here. Just look how busy it is on the beach. Just sat relaxing, chilling, drinking, eating. Wow, nice.
It's gonna be a long, long time. It's gonna be a long, long time.
Champlong, lots of copyright music. How busy this is. This is the one I always come to personally. The Plancha. Here's the inside building. Nobody really sits inside here. Kitchen here. Don't have any live entertainment here, it's only music. Just look how busy it is though. Super, super busy. Wow. An inside seating area as well. Here's La Plancha from the other side. You can see it's quite popular, the most busiest beach restaurant bar here on the beach. Actually just extending to the side now because there's no more beanbags or anything left. People just want to be at La Plancha. It's just the most chilled, awesome place here at 66 Beach. Let's go to a next place here now. A few tourists here. See what this is called. They're a little bit hiding the names always. The Shisha as well here. Inside seating area there as well. Oh, this is called Bali Juice Park. It's the name up above Bali Juice Park. It's getting a little bit dark now. Again, very, very busy. Busiest I've seen these for a long, long time. No entertainment, music or anything here. So we want to relax a little bit more. Maybe this is the one. Just continue on. Sun has set now already. Froggy surf lessons. All of these little seating areas up there. Wow. Ryan surf lesson and rent board. Very nice one again here. Lots of international tourists. No name again. It's the DJ. Bringing the food out now. Beautiful burgers there. Beautiful inside seating area. Nice. All in the back there. Wow, super busy as well. Not sure what that one is called. Next one here. Wheelchair on the beach here. This one's super busy as well. All the tourists. And this is fairly new, this. Grady Ink tattoo studio there. There's no name here. Let's take you inside, have a look. Nobody inside again, everyone's sat on the beach. Oh, Terrace Bali, this one is called. Name just over there. It's the name, Terrace Bali. Nice. Busy here. No live music here. Super busy though. It's actually quite a nice, chilled, relaxed vibe here as well. Wow, look at this. This is a big group here. I love it when Bali's busy like this. Makes it interesting to make the videos. And then I think that's as far as we're going to go now. There is a few more just up in that direction. Maybe we can make another video in that direction. Just finish here now. How busy this beach is. Ooh la la. Many people. Sun has set now. Awesome. Absolutely fabulous. Love it. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My sunset stroll here at Double Six Beach here in Seminyak. What can I say? Oh la la, how wonderful was that? Super busy on the beach, as you saw with the camera there. Every one of the bar restaurants lining the back of the beach, packed and loaded with customers, just as it should be, as we are in the peak season now in August here in Seminyak. Just really wonderful vibes, and great to see big crowds eating and drinking, relaxing and enjoying themselves here at Double Six Beach. So if you're coming and visiting Bali, I highly recommend that no matter what time of year you are, that you do actually come to Double Six Beach, one of my personal favourite locations. I always actually eat and drink at Plancha, as it always seems to be, no matter whenever you come, is always the busiest of all of the bars, restaurants on the beach. However, there was some other places giving it good competition in tonight's video. All in all, you're just going to have really a great time here at Double Six Beach here in Seminyak. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I highly recommend that if you're staying in Bali, you pay Double Six Beach a visit here in Seminyak, and I shall say bye for now.